Don't you dare give up now. After everything God carried you through, you want to stop here? No. Get up. This is not where you stop. This is where you decide who you really are. You ran before. You chose silence. You chose comfort. You chose to hide when it got heavy. But not this time. Not again. You made mistakes. Own them. Because God does not build men who run from failure. He builds men who stand in it and refuse to stay the same. You think you're small? No, you're not small. You're being humbled. Because if you were small, why is there still a fire in you that refuses to let you sit still? That's not you. That's God refusing to let you die in this place. So stop speaking like it's over. It's not over. You're being tested, and pressure does not destroy a man of God. It reveals him. So get up. Even if your past is bloody, even if your strength feels low, get up anyway. No excuses, no retreat, because your calling does not disappear when things get hard. It gets clearer. So hear this. As long as you are breathing, God is not done with you. And if He is not done, you don't quit. You don't break. You rise until He says otherwise.